You are the next AIR one, right? Yes, you. I'm talking to you. You are the next AIR one. You don't believe it? But why? I believe in you. I know that you do have the potential to be the next AIR one. Hi guys, this is Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to CLAT, and in today's video, we talk about 5 things that are hampering your CLAT preparation and are an obstacle to you being the next AIR 1 of this CLAT examination. So, without further ado, let's understand these 5 problems. Talking about the first problem, lack of a proper plan. Don't look here and there. I know you are suffering from this. Does this happen with you that every morning when you get up, you pick up a book and at the end of the day you have studied the whole day, but you don't realize what all you have studied? If this is you, then what you're lacking is a proper plan. Now that we have such less time left for the CLAT examination, it is important that we are studying with a proper plan. We know what we are going to be doing for the whole day. We need to understand when are we giving our mocks. We need to be analyzing our mocks, and therefore in the morning itself or a night before, we must have a timetable for that particular day. So morning, when you get up, make sure that in a copy, on your laptop, in your phone, you write down your to-do list. Now, I've already made a video on this, that what could be your timetable for your CLAT examination. So make sure that you have a proper plan for the day that you stick to, so that you can realize what you are doing for the whole day, and at the end of the day you are satisfied with your preparation. Now, if you are looking for a proper guidance, we have launched a course for your CLAT examination in which you will be getting classes, doubt sessions, mock tests, so that all your preparation can happen at once. In this particular batch, you also get Shakuntala scholarship, which is, if you get below AIR 300, all your money shall be returned back to you. We have evening classes in which all 5 educators will complete the syllabus for the CLAT examination before your exam, also give you mocks, and in case you have any doubt, you can visit the doubt tab and ask us your questions. We will also be having doubt solving sessions so that there is no doubt left and you are able to clear the CLAT exam. If you like my teaching methods, you can use my code KritiB for additional discount on the batch. Now, it is very important to understand that consistency matters over perfection. Don't try to have a perfect plan, guys. I know that is an issue that you're facing. I want to be perfect. I want to make sure that I dedicate 2 hours to study. No, make sure even if you're able to dedicate 20 minutes, you do dedicate it, and that will be enough. So consistency always matters over perfection. Second problem that you might be facing is self-doubt. Now I understand when we are preparing for an examination, a lot of times we get into this cocoon of feeling that I am not enough. Maybe I'm not working hard enough. There are so many students who have started before me. How can I clear this CLAT examination? Guys, let me put a full stop right there. First of all, let me tell you, you can 100% clear the CLAT examination. I believe in you. You only require 1 seat. Don't think about the students who are going to sit for the examination with you. Don't think about their preparation. Think about your own preparation. How many seats do you need? You need only a single seat out of 500 to 1000 seats. Don't you think you are intelligent enough to get that? I believe you are intelligent enough. You can get that 1 seat. Always remember, quantity does not matter. Quantity of study does not matter. Quality of study does matter. There are students who can read the same thing, understand the same thing in 2 hours that another student took 8 hours to study. So focus on your own preparation. Stop doubting yourself. See, one thing that I have realized is, things that you can change them. Things you can't change yourself for them. Can you change the fact that you have your exam? No. Can you change the fact that you need to study for your exam? No. So just put in your 100% and leave everything else to your destiny. You will definitely clear the exam, but not with self-doubt. Stop doubting yourself. Write down in the comment box right now, I will clear CLAT this year. Third point, and I know you are suffering from this, procrastination. A lot of times this happens that you create a timetable, you create a to-do list, but you procrastinate that. I'll
do it at 9 p.m. or
Maybe
after
I've
I
done
get free.
everything else, I'll be doing it. Please don't do that. The moment you see a window where you can be studying or giving a mock or practicing your questions, whatever it is, if you get a window of time, make sure that you are studying for your CLAT examination. We only have 3 months left. 3 months is not a long time. But guys, remember, these 3 months will put you ahead of 5 years of your life. The next 5 years of your life will be sorted if you clear the CLAT exam, for which you only have 3 months. So do not procrastinate anything. Fourth, prioritizing other things. Now I understand you are a human and it may happen that you have different priorities at different time stamps of your life. For example, you may be thinking that 12th is more important. You may be thinking one of my friends is more important. You may be thinking that social media is more important. But guys, these distractions should be your short breaks and not your priority. I understand 12th definitely requires your effort, but 12th also in boards your efforts are required, which will be held in March, April, February, right? So right now you can focus on your CLAT examination. Lastly, the fifth point is lack of revision. A lot of times it happens that once you have read a topic, you have understood that topic, it becomes boring for you to revise it. This may happen in legal reasoning, this may specifically happen in current affairs. But always remember guys, the more you revise it, the more you will remember it. Why do you remember the national anthem? Because you sing it every day in your school. That is how you remember it, right? So revision is the key. The more you read the same thing, the more you will remember it in the examination. So don't run away from revision. Stop trying to prioritize every new topic that comes your way and forgetting what you have already studied for your CLAT examination. Now guys, these 5 obstacles are definitely not separate problems but are interconnected. One leads to another, creating a cycle of inefficiency and stress. Recognizing this will be your first step. So make sure you are consistent and you are preparing, giving in your 100% for your CLAT examination that is going to be held in the next 3 months. I hope this was helpful guys. In case you still have any doubt or you want to vent out something or want to say anything, you can comment below in the comment box and I shall get back to you. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Have a great day. Have a great week and have a great year ahead.